What are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you eating Funyuns out the trash can? You sure? I see a Funyun in your hand. I think you're getting Funyuns out of the trash can. No? Well, what's in your hand? Yeah? Uh, okay. Because I could have sworn there was some Funyuns in the trash can. I keep hearing you going to get them. You getting them? Are you getting them? You getting Funyuns? No. Do you have a Funyun in your hand? You have Funyuns in your mouth? You do? Did you get it out the trash can? You did? No. I think you did. Okay. Don't get any more Funyuns out the trash can, okay? All right. Yeah. I love you. Hey, did you get any Funyuns out the trash can? You sure? Okay. All right. Bye.